Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this happy hour. Now, it is 100k packs. Now, 100k packs, that's a lot of dosh, that's a lot of dollar going into one packs. Hopefully, we can get someone special. It would be absolutely unreal if I got just any sort of informed player, just something along those lines. Because let's remember, guys, 100k is just a lot of money. So hopefully EA don't troll us, guys. Another thing I would like to say, if you do want to be able to open up these 100k and you don't have 100k in the bank account, go ahead and check out Ultimate Team Traders, Coin Traders, sorry. Their link will be in the description, and they're just reliable, so that way you know you're not going to get scammed when you're picking up 100k. But let's move on, guys. Hopefully we can get someone tasty out of this. Let's have a quick little look here. Let's go to the store, and let's see if we can get 100k. Come on now. Do not mess with me. Here it is, from 100,000 coins. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Boom. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here it is. Here it is. Please, someone sweet. Boateng. There it is. Is that... Yes! Team of the season, Boateng. Toby, suck it. Team of the season, Boateng. Coming home. Hold on. Oh, baby. There it is. Look at all these duplicates. Get out of my face. There it is. Boateng. Cal is in the room. What do you think to my Boateng?
Looks very blue.
It's a beautiful blue, isn't it?
Blue. It's more blue than he got.
All right. So wait, what did the Toby get him in? He got nothing. That has just made my day a gazillion times better, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this 100k pack opening. I can't believe I managed to pick myself off a blue. That is just awesome. And look at all these duplicates, and the rest of them were actually pretty shoddy. No one else there. Valdez, Lampard, nah, nothing. Zip. So, I'm really happy with that. That is going to go straight into the trade pile. And, yeah. Team of the season in my 100k pack. I have certainly got really lucky this time around. As always, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see a huge squad builder, I think it amounts to like a 500k squad, a 5 million squad builder. I'll upload that later today. If this hits, let's say, 3,000 likes, guys, I'll upload that a little bit later on. And yeah, the squad is absolutely insane. It's a full team of the season squad, and I think you guys will enjoy that. So until then, guys, I'll catch you all in a little bit. Bye-bye.